To understand, I want people to understand what it is that we have been through and why we go through what we go through. It's what you've been through. You see what I'm saying? It's the structure and the law and the order of your household and your way of thinking. Because the way you think is what you're going to instill on your household. You know what I'm saying? Whether it's right or wrong, whether it exists or not. You know what I'm saying? Whether it's a lie or truth, and you're going to try to build on that lie. If it's a lie, it's like a foundation that just keep having cracks. You know what I'm saying? It just don't hold up. It's not solid. You know what I'm saying? It's always a situation. We should be family, but that's not adding up. You know what I'm saying? Family supposed to just be like this, and it is what it is. But this is not what's going on. It's like some seeping through. We got air coming through the cracks that shouldn't come through these areas. We got sunlight coming in areas that shouldn't be in this area. This is a dark area zone. You see what I'm saying? And light is coming in it. Because you got to remember, it was darkness before light. So we got areas where darkness is supposed to remain in the dark, and light supposed to come into the light and shine as bright as that sun. You feel me? That's what it's about. Shine as bright as you, whether the sun shine or not. Because every day you rise, you is your sun within. You know what I'm saying? You is the morning star. You know what I'm saying? You is your, you know what I'm saying? You is your rising sun. You know what I'm saying? So, but like I say, it ain't no coincidence that here I am talking about, because I'm a person, everybody know, I likes to learn and know. I likes to be quiet at time and listen and let a person talk so I can feel and get where they coming from and get an understanding of them. Because I'm not a type of person, it's not about you being like me and me being like you. It's about me knowing you and understanding you and you knowing and understanding me. It's about me accepting you for who you are and who you say you are and what you show me you are. You know what I'm saying? So it's not about a theory of me. It's not about a assumption of what I think. And that's what's going on with our people. And that's how we look at things. For instance, you have mothers that say, she upset about her, she upset really, her kids are grown and she got grandkids and great-grandkids, but she's still upset that she wasn't treated right by your father. You know what I'm saying? Or she wasn't treated right by your sister father. You see what I'm saying? So now she still got that on her. And I dare you be my son and got the nerve to be around my house and ain't working. She thinking about that nigga who was around her and wasn't working and was fucking with the girl down the sidewalk. You see, she's still mad, and when she look at you, she don't see her son. She see that nigga. She see that same black nigga, because that's what's in the mentality. See, that's what's done been produced. And that's why you got to get, that's why we got to open up. We got to open ourselves up so everybody can see us. When I got a cut and a pain, I want you to see it. I don't want to band-aid mine up. I want you to see it, because I already know I got natural healing powers. I will naturally heal myself. I will heal from inside out. I don't need a band-aid to cover up nothing. Yeah, you don't need to bandage me up. I don't need to be wrapped up. I need you to see what you have done. Anything you have done, you need to be able to see it. Take a look in the mirror. Like I was telling you earlier, people got to stop and they got to make a change. Because whatever you do, it's a domino effect. You know what I'm saying? It's like a boomerang. If you think it's not going to affect you, it's going to affect the next one. Like I told you, say I got a daughter, 14. Well, they'll never think you out in the streets and you running game on a dummy. They'll never think you scheming on a girl and think she dumb and she this and that. Because whatever you do to her, if you think you ran game on her, you best believe it's going to come back on your daughter. Her daughter, or her son, you see what I'm saying? Or on your mama, or your sister, your brother, your cousin, your best friend. And like I told you, it can come a whole domino effect. You can have a best friend you think your best friend is your greatest enemy, sitting right next to you to death do you part. You understand what I'm saying? I'm a witness to it. You know what I'm saying? So I wish any man walking this planet try to tell me what God has already showed me. The devil is a lie. My God has showed me truth and light, and I will rise and shine with it and walk with it, and I will not forget it. Every moment I take in time, every moment I take in space, I will recognize and remember what my mission is, what I'm here to do, to show love and compassion, because I know I'm surely not going to be here forever. Not in this body, not in this form. It's no way. I have never seen nobody even living 1,000 years. Let's known 500. I don't even want to talk about 300 years. You feel what I'm saying, bro? So people don't think about this when they wake up. They wake up and they chasing money. What you chasing money for? What can money do for you? I'm going to tell you what money can do for me. Buy me the things that I want to help you. I want a center so I can build and help for the children. I want to build something that I can help for the youth, for the teenagers, for the young youth, for the young adults, for the older adults, for the senior citizens. That's what I want to do. I want to create a program where we can even, I can buy, you see that field there? I wish I had some of the dope man money. I'll buy this field. I promise to God, y'all, I would buy this field and I would go out here and I would till this ground, baby. And I would plant my seeds. I would build a garden and everybody in this community can come and work in this garden and eat of this garden free. Hey, save money and stop building Walmart. They got enough money. You don't need to keep going in Walmart trying to get them money. It's easy to make you an onion, a bell pepper, a tomato, garlic. It's easy for these type of things. Okra, the things that you like, it's easy to potatoes. These are the easiest things that you can grow. You can just dig a hole and grow it. You ain't got to have a seed. Put one of them in the hole. This your perfect time right now, December. December, go out in your backyard. Go to the store, buy you some organic, fertilizers, and just go out there, put you a garlic clove down. Put you a green onion down, a dry green onion down. And just by summer, springtime, eat, baby. Eat freely and share with others and feel good that you have produced, you have created. Feel and experience the genius of yourself. Understand and get to know the God in you. Stop letting other people do for you that you need to do for yourself. And I mean that in so many forms and fashions. That goes out to our sisters who's looking for a man who's selling drugs just so you can have some more money, just so you can get a bill paid, or just so you can look good. Some of y'all not even asking for a bill. You just think if you ride in the car, it makes you feel like you somebody. Feel like you somebody because you get up and you in your body. Whatever your body may look like, you ain't got to go and get no booty. You ain't got to go and pay no money to get no booty shots. You ain't got to pay no money to get your titties done. You've been living with yourself all your life. How about now you don't even love yourself? How this long you still haven't accepted the wholeness of yourself? How you have still been walking around earth thinking about a way to make a change that is who you are? Stop it. Study yourself. We don't want to become the rat race. You don't want to be injected with rat cells. Study yourself. I ask all brothers and sisters, no matter what color, creed, or race you is, because remember, the first thing that came and landed was the black man and black woman. So listen to me. I want you all to go and pick up the movie. Find this movie. It's called The Three Ninja Turtles. I tell you, my people, I don't want y'all to be no rat race. I know some of y'all is not of my people. I know some of y'all, as the Jesus told y'all, some of y'all, my father is not your father. As Genesis says, we got some artificial gods. We got some people here who have created other people. Hey, and we got the people that is the sun people. And we got the people that is the people of the universe. Get educated. Educate yourself. Know yourself. Who you think you is, a human? I'm not. I'm beyond you. You earthbound. I'm a time traveler.